Hey everyone! In today's video we're talking about those pesky little black dots that love to hang out on the nose area. You may have heard them called blackheads, but the technical term is actually open comedones. These form when dead skin cells, oil, and bacteria clog up your pores, causing them to stretch and enlarge. The contents get exposed to air, oxidize, and turn black, leaving you with those telltale bumps. While harmless, they can be pretty annoying to deal with. The good news is there are some simple tips you can follow to treat open comedones and prevent new ones from popping up. Over the next few minutes, we'll talk about the 6 main steps recommended by dermatologists. This includes exfoliating with salicylic acid, using retinoids, trying niacinamide, properly extracting, avoiding excessive drying, and wearing SPF. Stick around for the full video, because by the end you'll have a complete guide to clearing up open comedones for good. We'll even touch on when you may need to see a dermatologist if over-the-counter methods don't do the trick. The key is being consistent with your skincare routine. With some discipline and these derm-backed tips, you can say goodbye to those unsightly little black dots. Now that we've covered the basics of what open comedones are, let's get into the 6 steps recommended by dermatologists to treat them. First step is to exfoliating regularly. Using a daily salicylic acid cleanser chemically exfoliates to remove dead skin cells before they can clog pores. Consistent use helps minimize open comedones over time. Next, use retinoids. Prescription retinoids like adapalene increase cell turnover and shrink enlarged pores. Using them 1–2 times per week at night is one of the most effective ways to reduce open comedones. 3. Try niacinamide. It is a helpful ingredient. This vitamin B3 derivative regulates oil production to prevent pore blockages. Look for it in serums or moisturizers and apply it daily. Step 4. Properly extracting hardened open comedones can also speed up removal. See an esthetician monthly to safely extract them using a sterile lancet. Never pick or squeeze blemishes, which can lead to scarring. Step 5. It's important not to over-dry the skin, as this can actually increase oil production and clog pores further. Stay hydrated, avoid alcohol toners, and use oil-free gel moisturizers. Step 6. Apply broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen daily when going outside. UV exposure can darken open comedones. Choose oil-free, non-comedogenic formulas made for acne-prone skin. In conclusion, if over-the-counter methods don't resolve stubborn open comedones after a few months, see a dermatologist. Prescription retinoids or treatments like peels or laser resurfacing may be required. The key is consistency with your routine using these tips. With time, you can achieve smooth, clear skin free of open comedones. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching and please give us a thumbs up. See you next time.